Hey groomers, Tyler and Smokey here. Here he is. Gonna show you a little bit about blades and the cutter alignment. I've seen a lot of questions about this lately, so gonna make a video. A lot of people ask about their cutters. They'll get real picky, I guess, when they start to look down this way. If it wants to focus. Kinda. So as you can see, the cutter, that's a pretty good alignment there, you know, about a credit card width here to here. Grab one of my cards. And this is what I mean. Like that. Line it up. Should be about a credit card width. A lot of times when you look down the sides, it might give you an optical illusion. You see it's kind of like a smiley face, or maybe from the other side might look different. But basically, it's always going to be safe until the cutter goes above that. So basically, if you can run your finger on this and get pricked, see how it's above it now? That's dangerous. You want it about a credit card width down. If it's a little crooked, that's okay. You know, you just might get a different cut. But as long as these teeth aren't sticking above it, it's safe. And if you go too far down, you know, it's not going to cut as well either. Sorry for this video, it's all blurry, but like that's not going to cut well. That'll be okay, but you really want like a credit card width. You don't want to get too close, and every time you drop a blade or whatever, it could move a little bit. So if you drop your clippers, take a look at the blade quick before you touch another pet with it, because it could have shifted. And once again, if it's too far forward like that, that'll slice a dog or cat or whatever right open. You see it's getting caught on my finger there. So hope that helped some of you. Sorry for the blurry video. Have a good day.